Hi guys! Mag-review me, mag-review, feeling! So dati ni Dear Joe, nag-buy me of coffee and some pastries. So, unsa ni chocolate chips
Just
frappe.
chocolate frappe.
That's for Gabe. This one is
Vietnamese coffee.
Vietnamese coffee. Dili siya
Safe to drink.
safe to drink to siya. This one is
Mocha.
mocha. Ice mocha.
Yeah.
And of course, matcha.
This one is white mocha.
This one is white mocha.
Yeah. That is Kapiswada.
This one is kapiswada. Okay, so, ay, napami ano?
Pastry.
Nami,
Chocolate muffin.
yes, nami chocolate muffin.
And
Ano ni siya?
croissant.
Arte. Nagdami carrot. Look. So, yeah.
And habay kayo ilahang take out.
Yan naman.
See?
Ay, oh, yeah, nice kayo.
kayo.
Dahil silang take out.
Lupad. There you go. McDo, Starbucks, Coffee Bean, tanan gayahan yun. Okay?
Nami, ay, nabili kami. Oh, you like it? Yeah.
I like it too. Here.
Just gonna have.
How to eat. I tag you, right? How to eat croissant.
Hmm?
Croissant.
Yeah. Because I'm following this British blogger and he's teaching how to etiquette,
Table manner.
table manners.
So are you supposed to tear your croissant
Yes,
and eat it instead
yes.
of just biting into it,
Yes.
smashing it, and
Yeah.
then
Like
all, yeah.
like you should just tear it
You just tear it and eat it.
like that, and you should have tear it more.
Exactly. Because if you just bite into it, you wind up crushing it. So yeah, you tear and eat your croissant.
You want to say?
I'm a big croissant fan. I think it's a whole lot about nothing.
Yeah.
Mhm.
It's just puff.
It's just, yeah, and most of them don't have much flavor. The only time a croissant is really good is like, was in Europe a few times,
Yeah.
and everybody has bread for breakfast. And
Banana loaf?
Yeah.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, yummy food. I didn't expect.
Super. Grabe ka moist.
Fluffy. Dili siya umay.
Chocolate muffin.
Yeah. Chocolate siya pero dili siya anak ka OA nga sweet.
Ito. Tignan mo isa.
Mhm.
Yung.
Pwede mo. Pwede ba ito bata sa mas?
Ito ngayon ako ba? Kasi hindi sa mga events.
Mhm.
You can have this muffin.
Mhm.
Let me judge siya.
Yummy din siya. Look, refresh
So,
lang.
number 1, napakasang matcha.
Yeah.
that's what you want to do too.
Mine,
Then,
kapila, Vietnamese latte.
Vietnamese latte. Akong second. Third na ko ning kapiswada. Then, white mocha.
White mocha frappe is my favorite. It's a Starbucks na good. So I tried it there. So
Oh,
wala
wow.
na.
O, yung malasa nga. Initing nga tamis kaysa sa matcha. Matcha is the best for me.
Wala. Ano na siya? Refreshing lang. Comforting drink.
Yeah.
Diba?
Then, ayun yung favorite.
Yeah, ito.
Di ba katong ako, katong cookies?
Yeah.
Karon
Brownie.
Mm-mm.
Brownie. And mas lami siya sa brownie.
Kami? Yeah. Medyo siya tamis to. Kung naman tayo recommend sila ha, panigid.
Muffin.
Muffin. Yung chocolate muffin. Are you not allowed, baba?
Next try na totoo lang.
Aha.